These are the Jupiter Factory Light frames, and I'm going to show you how to replace the lenses. First thing you're going to do is flip over the frame so that they're upside down, and when you're going to have to unscrew one of the screws by using a Phillips head screwdriver. But when you do not use this screw over here. You're going to use the screws that are inserted on the sides of the frontal part of the frame, like so. So you're going to take it and get it situated and then spin to the left, and you want to make sure that the screw comes all the way out. You want to make sure that the frame can come apart a little bit more. I'm going to push the lens out like so. Now to reinsert the lens, you just line it up with the grooves like you normally would. And just push a little bit. And then you're going to firmly hold the frames together against the lens with your hands. And you just take the screwdriver and twist it to the right while holding the frames against the lens. And that's it.